I started art and music in college, and so these are some photographs I took of a bronze casting I made. Bronze casting is where you take like a wax image of something and you mold it in the form you want it to take. And then what happens is they pour it into a mold, and then they pour bronze into the mold. And then what happens is where all the wax is, that's where it gets melted out and it leaves the empty space behind. And that's where the bronze fills in the gaps. And so it's a fun process. So this is what I made. It's like an abstract scorpion. So it kind of looks like a praying mantis a little bit, and that's okay. But it's basically was inspired by making a bronze abstract scorpion. So hope you guys enjoy it, and just thought I'd share that. I was looking at it today, so I thought, you know what, I took some pictures of it anyway. So let's make a video about it. Oh yeah, one last thing I want to say is I try to take pictures of that sculpture from different angles, because that's what I heard is one of the things that you're supposed to do with sculpture is to try to make it look interesting from various angles. So no matter where you look at the sculpture from, there's interesting aspects of the art because it's like a three-dimensional art form. So you want to take that in consideration. So that's one of the things I try to think about when I made it, was to make it look interesting from any angle as much as possible. And so there you go.